Hi friends. Hi. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and answers. Comment on the video below. Like and share this video for your friends. Now I am teaching you the subtraction. Generally subtraction is solved by borrowing method. Like this zeros is headache for all who are new to subtraction. But today I am teaching a valuable method which can be solved in a seconds. I will teach you two methods of Vedic maths. One will be very simple method, 0 minus 9 is not possible, then it considered as a 10. Before the 0 is 0, considered as a 9. Before the 0 is considered as a 9. Then 6 is considered as a 5. Now you can solve it from the right side only. 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. Answer will be 5411. Other method is 6000 minus 599. You can bring this as a 9 form, like subtracting the same number above and below. Like for 6000 minus 1, you can get it into the 9 forms like 5999, and it's below also subtracted by 1, you will get 588. You can easily now solve. 9 minus 8 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 5, 4, 1, 1. Same answer for both. Second problem, 70,000 minus 6889. Now same, 0 minus 9 is not possible. Then consider as a first 0 is 10, next second 0 is 9, next all zeros is considered as 9, numbers as a below one number, like 7 into 6. 6 below, write it as like that only in below. 0 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. In this method, 70,000, you can bring the 70,000 by subtracting 1. You can get it as a 6999. Same number subtract it below also, you will get 6888. Then 63,111 is the answer. You can mention this, solve this same third problem also. Comment the answer below. I will solve the one side, you will solve another side. This you will consider as 11, then 9, 9. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3. Here minus 1 you consider, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1 is not possible because again it will show is a 1000. Now to bring 1001 into 9 form, you minus with 2, you will get the 999. After that 6, 6, 6. Same answer, 333 is the answer. You can learn both the method, whichever the convenient for you, we can solve it. Please share the video for your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.